In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to insert a logo in Google Docs quickly and easily. Whether you're working on a professional document, a report, or a personal project, adding a logo gives it a polished touch. Let's start. Open Google Docs and selecting the document where you want to insert your logo. If you don't have one yet, click on Blank Document to create a new file. Next, go to the Insert menu at the top. Click on Image, then choose where your logo is stored. You can upload it from your computer, search the web, use Google Drive, Google Photos, or insert it via a URL. Once your logo appears in the document, you may need to resize or reposition it. Click on the logo, then drag the corner handles to adjust its size proportionally. To move it, just click and drag it to the desired location. For better placement, select the logo and click on Text Wrapping Options. If you want the logo to stay in a fixed position, choose Fixed Position on Page. If you want it to move with the text, select Wrap Text. Experiment with these settings until you find the best fit. If needed, you can tweak the transparency, brightness, or contrast by selecting image options from the toolbar. This helps blend the logo smoothly into your document. And there you have it. You've successfully added a logo to your Google Docs document. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tech tips.